Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi, and my name is Chloe and I'm really excited to present you with this beautiful brand new Audi A6 Allroad 3 litre V6 diesel engine what we have in stock. I'm going to start by giving you a 360 tour around this gorgeous vehicle and then talk a little bit more about the interior. Starting at the front of the vehicle, we have got Audi's Matrix LED headlights with dynamic indicators, what provides you with the maximum visibility as possible, really to brighten up every single road for you. Around the side of the vehicle, we've got the absolutely stunning 19-inch cast aluminium 10-sport design alloy wheels, which look absolutely incredible out on the road and do give a really sporty feeling to this Allroad. We've got the electrical adjustable door mirrors, which are heated, folding and with the memory function, with automatic Kerb-Side function for the passenger side, which really does come in handy. But in the back, your passengers will be able to travel in the utmost comfort with the full leather seats, the centre armrest with added storage if you do open it up, Isofix points in the back so your little ones will be safe at all times, with the storage in the back of the front seats, charging points so your passengers will never be without their favourite devices, as well as the aircon. We've also got the Quattro badging on the side skirt as well. We've also got the aluminium look roof rails, which make this estate car a very practical one indeed in case you wanted any family days out. We've got the rear parking sensors to ensure the driver has maximum confidence whilst parking up or manoeuvring this A6 Allroad in any type parking space or reversing. Moving on into the boot size on this A6, it's powered by your pilot operated tailgate, which is extremely handy if you do happen to have your hands full. As we can see, it definitely does not disappoint within the size. It's perfect for any family days out, any holidays away or any luggage, as it's an extremely big spacious size, especially with the 12-volt socket in case you do ever need it, and the luggage cover. You'll be able to also put the back seats down in case you wanted to carry any larger items in there without struggling. And one click of the button, the boot will automatically come down for you. We've also got the privacy glass to ensure you passengers in the back will be able to travel in the most privacy as possible. Once inside, we can see we are greeted by such a flawless interior with the 3-sport multifunctional steering wheel and the A6 Allroad seats with full leather. These seats are super comfortable and enjoyable and are all electrically adjustable, as I'm just going to demonstrate now for you. So it's super easy to get both the seats in that perfect position, especially with the 4-way lumbar support. So now that concludes the 360 walk around about this stunning vehicle, and now it's time to dig a little bit more back inside. We've got all the door mirror controls, which is incredibly handy if you do need to put your both mirrors in with a twist of the button. They'll automatically come in for you. We've got the memory seat function for the driver's side as well, which is extremely handy if you do happen to have a couple of people driving the same car, so it will remember where you've both sat. With the automatic headlights, what makes every single journey as easy as possible for you. But moving on to the steering wheel, to the left hand side we have got the cruise control system with the speed limiter, so it's never been so easy and relaxed to control your car, especially on long motorway journeys home. Furthermore, we have got the steering wheel controls, so from the left hand side you'll be able to change the display of the virtual cockpit, as well as answer those important phone calls on the go on the right hand side. But right in front of the driver, here is where it lies, the virtual cockpit, which is an unmissable feature at the moment, which houses all the overview and all the controls for the driver, what they will need, including the radio, directions and connectivity. Moving on, we've got the beautiful inlays what surround the fully touchscreen multimedia interface what houses all your in-car entertainment. This includes the use of Apple Carplay to be able to easily activate Bluetooth and safely connect up your mobile phone through there for all the different options, as well as adaptive digital radio with an endless list of radio stations, so you'll be able to search manually and the screen will come up on the bottom screen. So you'll have a full screen to enter, or if you didn't want to do that, simply search by using the voice control. Media player allows you to connect up your favourite devices via Bluetooth and other different options to be able to play your favourite tracks whilst you're out on the go. The telephone interface. So this allows you to answer those important phone calls on the go and never miss another important phone call whilst you make hand-free calls on the go. With the HD sat-nav, so it's incredibly easy to get any directions up and get you from A to B with route guidance along the way. You'll also be able to search super easily, especially for the Audi garages. And you'll also be able to use your voice control over this as well if you do prefer it. With the rear view camera, it makes it super easy to park up. So further down, we have got the Deluxe two-way climate control, which is really accessible to you and your passenger in the front, as you'll be able to have both sides of the car in a different temperature, as well as the heated seats, just another perfect opportunity to put them on throughout the winter months. We've got the S-Tronic automatic gearbox with the electrical mechanical parking brake, just to make driving it as easy as possible. And finally, we do have the front centre armrest for added support, but underneath we've got the use of Audi's wireless phone box, so you will never be without your favourite devices on the go. So thank you for watching this video on this brand new Audi A6 Allroad Sport, what we have in stock at Blackburn Audi. For personalised finance quotes or to book a test drive now, please contact us on 01254 868 216, and thank you for watching.